back to the GidiStays channel. Sandy here. So today is time for another vlog. I'm just going to take you with me today. We are going towards Eleko. Because we are so much on the road today, I guess today will be more of a visuals kind of a day. So I'll just show you along the road and whatever is out there, because I know some of you really enjoy that. Anyway, I am in the swanky one-bed apartment now. Let me show you around real quick. Here we are staying here. There is two apartments, the swanky one bed and the Scandi one bed that can connect. So I will show you more about that in another video. But in the meantime, if you want to check out all our apartments, if in case you are looking for a short stay apartment here in Lagos, make sure to check out GidiStays.com. I will also put all information, our website, our WhatsApp numbers, email, however you can reach out to us, in the description box down below. So always check that out as well. If you like this kind of videos where I just take you along, make sure to give this video a like and of course subscribe to the channel. I thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And let's go. Yeah, there was a woman with a child. I don't know. Can what? This is not good at all.
Access Bank.
No, that. Very neat. Let me put his Instagram there, everything. I like that. Okay, you all. So we just arrived at Amen Estate, phase 2. We're just quickly checking some things out here. Very soon I will share with you. I will share more about that with you. But oh my god, this estate is so nice, you all. Let me just give you a quick view again. See here, water from the rainfall. And they're working hard everywhere. Lots of beautiful houses coming up here. Here they're working on the road, as you can see down there. So those houses are finished already, these 3, and then these. How many are those? 5 as well. Very, very lovely. And here they're just sand filling this plot. So yeah, that is it here. Very hot day today. I think it hasn't been rainy. Well, no, it has been rainy yesterday in the night a bit, but I would say today is like the first day in a while that it is also not cloudy. So it's like a very hot day today. Anyway, so that is it. Alright, so we just came back to this supermarket just outside Imin Estate. Let's pick up some snacks and things before we continue. Okay, rice cakes. They even have cheese. Ah, groundnuts. So this supermarket is really, really nice. They have a lot, and they're also cheaper than our supermarkets in our area. So let's see, what is this? Pin pin. Pin pin. Anyway, I want some groundnut. Even though it's not the best for my skin, it's just so good. Oshodi. Where's this one made? Ikorodu. Oh, nice.
Wait, do they have canned drinks?
Wow, nice. Where? The Chupa Chups.
Oh,
I didn't know. Where's it from? From Korea.
Korea.
Yeah. Ah, nice. Oh, let me have one as well of this rabbit. The sparkling one. Where is it? Oh, this one. You want this one, purple?
Let me try this one.
And they also have this banana flavored yogurt drink. Where is it from? Oh, here in Lagos. Let's try that out. We need some water as well. Let me see. This one. See, they even have cheese, mozzarella cheese, and butter. Oh, nice.
Mommy, what do you think of egg? Yeah?
Ready? Oh, there. Banana. How much for the banana? How much is this one?
Asigania? Zero?
Get the big banana, the big
500.
And this one?
Eleko?
I like
Asigania?
banana.
Eleko?
Babe, mommy. How much is that one? All right, thank you. Very there, huh? This one.
Okay, ma.
Where's the blueberry?
There, up there. 4545.
4545.
Wow. I don't buy these things here.
Too
I find them
expensive.
too
What do we do?
expensive.
There's nothing we can do now. We have to buy them.
So they have imported mushrooms, champignons from Holland, 5.5, blueberries, 4.5, and strawberries, also 4.5. So those are the things I won't buy here because I'm a cheapskate like that. I just like to eat as much local things as possible.
Can I get 10?
A very nice shop, very clean. I like it. Local and imported vegetables.
For me now. So, me don't, I go just no. By the time don't need to go, then you only go dey find. You go see that.
All right, we are now at the poultry farm. So these are all layers in here.
There's a female broiler there that's actually laying eggs now.
Okay. Oh, because she got so old.
And because it's being fed layer feed.
If you don't know, all these ones are layers just for laying eggs, and this is then what they call a broiler for meat, basically. What? So big. Oh my god. Anyway, so that is the poultry farm. I think that, I don't know if it's, I don't think it's in all or the whole of Europe, but I know that in Holland, for example, I think this kind of system, this kind of battery system, I think they call it a laying battery in Holland, is not allowed anymore. So I hope you don't take offense seeing this. Yeah, it's just like that. So yeah, so that is it. I've never seen in the supermarket free range eggs here, so I think that most, maybe all of the poultry farms are like this one, where it's just a battery basically, right? Caged chickens. So these birds, I believe they start laying around 16, when they're like 16 to 20 weeks old. Then I think they lay well until the age of 2, and after that they're being sold off as old layers, so for meat, yes. So yeah, I mean I think that is, yeah, because it's not so animal friendly, you could say. I think that is why these things are not allowed anymore in, for example, Holland, right? I remember when I was younger, that was a whole thing about this. And also in Holland, for example, you had like these what they call plofkip. So those were the chickens, the meat chickens, and I don't know what they did, but they fed, like they would overfeed them. That, like they will be so big, so fat that they cannot even walk anymore. Those ones are also not allowed anymore in Holland. But yeah, I don't know how they do those ones. Well, we saw two here. Obviously, they're very big, as they're supposed to be, but they can still walk. But I don't know what that looks like in poultry farms where they only do those type of broilers. Anyway, I think that at some point, I guess, I don't know how to explain that, you know. I don't think having free-range eggs here, obviously, is not really a concern or something that is important now, as I think the most important thing is that everyone gets food, everyone gets well fed. Yeah, but farming is a very interesting business here, very interesting and a very, very, very important thing here in Nigeria, of course. I've looked into farming before. I think if I wanted to do farming, I think I would do something like snail farming. Yes. I've been watching a lot of videos about it. I think that is, I don't eat snail though, but that business, it looks like you can do it in a very small setting if you want. They don't make noise. Maintenance, it seems easy to maintain, not sure, but I think that is what I would go for. But let me know what you would go for if you had to choose what kind of farming you would do. What would it be? Let me know in the comments. I would like to know. I don't know, even like all those vegetable farming, so to say. I don't know how profitable it is, and also seems quite risky. You know, if it's going to rain, or if it's going to rain a lot, or I don't know. So I guess it would be snail farm for me. Let me know what yours would be.
Almost 10. See. See.
Oh my goodness.
It's not the cup in people's houses.
Oh dear.
Now they know.
That's so sad. All these broken houses, wow.
So now this one going enter the roundabout. This one will. See the coastal road here.
Oh yeah.
So this is where there's going to be a big roundabout.
The coastal road is going like
Here.
Coastal road, yeah.
It's
They
still
go via
Yes.
from here.
Then you still go to cross this road.
I know what I see.
Maybe not this train road.
Oh my god. This ice cream place here in Lekki Phase 1. In fact, it is very close to our courtyard apartments, and I've been here several times, and ice cream is so good. So let me show you what it looks like. They serve frozen rolls, so let's go. banana. Good evening. Oh, they even do alcohol. So we just came back with a takeaway today. Sometimes we sit down there, it's quite cozy, nice place to sit down, but today we did a takeaway. So let me show you what we got. So this is the cookie caramel something. And apparently this is their best-selling ice cream. And then we have the banana pudding, which is my absolute fave.
This one's the cookie.
This is what that looks like, and it is so delicious, you all. I highly recommend this place. Right down in the description box I will put the address, and if they have Instagram I will put it there as well. You absolutely have to check out this place. So tasty, very good product. And then this is the, excuse me, and this is the cookie caramel, very tasty. Well, I'm saying that I don't know what this tastes like, but since this is the bestseller, I trust this tastes good as well. So that is it.